this is Mr. Frazier coming to you with the Carol of the Ukuleles challenge. This is a challenge that can get you a badge in 3 different ways because there are 3 different parts in this arrangement. The first part and the third part use a soprano ukulele, and the second part can only be played on a concert ukulele. What's the difference between a soprano and a concert ukulele? A soprano ukulele only has 12 frets. If you ordered an ukulele from the school, or you purchased your own ukulele and you're not sure, here's how to tell. If you count the number of frets on your ukulele, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If it only has 12 frets, it is a soprano ukulele. If your ukulele has more than 12 frets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, this would be a concert ukulele. Part 1 uses a repeated pattern for 19 measures. And you're going to make sure that you start with your finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And put your second finger down on that 2nd fret as well, so that way you can move your fingers quickly. But we start out with 4 measures of rest, and we're in a meter of 3, so you're going to count to yourself 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're going to repeat that 15 measures. So to play that, we're going to go nice and slow. Back and forth between our 3rd fret, our 2nd fret, back to our 3rd fret, and then open. Try to add what's called an accent to your first note. You're going to play it heavier. So by adding an accent to that first note, it'll be easier for you to remember where you are and count and read along with the music. So we have 3, 2, 3s, open, 3, 2, 3, open, 3, 2, 3, open, 3, 2, 3, open. And we're going to continue that, going on to page 2, measure 9. Measure 13, measure 17, the next page, you do it 3 more times, and then we're just going into some open strings. We have 1, 2, 3, and then G string, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, E string, 3 back, and then we're going to start adding our fingers. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And back into this pattern. Measure 45. Measure 49, 50, and then when we get to measure 51, we're going to move our fingers all the way up to the top, and you can put your first finger on the 7th fret. It's the fret that has the 2nd dot coming from the headstock. Put your 2nd finger on the next dot fret, which is your 10th fret, and your 3rd finger on the 12th fret, which is your last fret if you have a concert ukulele or a soprano ukulele. You're going to play that 6 times, so 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we go into just our 7th fret on our A string. Let's go back to measure 24. Let's break that down a little bit. So Measures 24 through 27. We're playing our A string for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, and then use your thumb to play your G string. 2, 3. So do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to play our A string in quarter notes 6 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can use your finger, your first finger, to pluck it up, or you can use your thumb to pluck it down. And then we have consistent pattern of dotted half notes. So we go, measure 28 is open A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're playing the A string open 4 times, and then we go to our E string. 2, 3, and then we're going to add our first finger for F. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to release it again and play open E 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back to our first finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back into that pattern.